End it all. I'm sick and tired of all this.
You get out of the palace now! Get out!
Roland, what is wrong with... Roland, no.
Step aside.
Don't. No, I will not.
Step aside.
I will not! I will not! I will not!
Roland! Let it happen!
I hope it's okay.
What is it?
I had a terrible dream about you. I'm worried.
As you can see, I'm fine. So go back to bed.
I think Roland is planning something bad.
Not when I'm still the king. Come to my arms.
I said stop! Stop for what? You're not welcome in this palace.
Also?
Get out. What do you mean? Do you know you are talking to Onowu of this land?
No,
don't tell me!
Hey!
Come get out from here!
Hey!
Hey, let's go.
Come with that.
Hey! Stop it there. How dare you come into this place and start making noise? Eh? Oh, you think you're in the village, eh? This is GRA. And for GRA, we don't make noise. Now listen, both of you. We are in the new era. And this new era does not recognize this man here as the owner of this kingdom. How dare you open your mouth and talk to me in such manner? In Apwala. I am still the owner of this kingdom. He's still the owner of this land.
Hey, leave this place before I change my mind.
We are going nowhere. We are here. We are going inside that place to stop what is happening there.
Yes. Fine and good. Hey. Go there. Let me see you. Wait. Go. What is it? Oh! Why are you running away? Come back! Come back and make noise!
Both of you are so lucky. Eh? I should have blown your brains out. Can you just imagine? Coming in here to make noise.
As the new Onowu of this kingdom, I crown you the Okosisi one of Waititi Kingdom. Eke, Orie, Afo, Nkwo,
Igwe.
may stand.
May your reign be long, my king.
The Hiroko! I'll get it done.
Thank you very much, Honorable.
Hey. Okay.
It's now a new dawn. Yes, in the Titi Kingdom. Please sit. Oriaku, sit up. Yes. I am excited because for the very first time, the great people of Etiti will experience what modern kingship is all about. Thanks for standing by me, especially you, my digital Olo.
I told you.
For believing in my dream and for helping me achieve it. I will appreciate each and every one of you with 1 million.
Ah! 1 million. 1 million.
Meanwhile, this is what I call atol. Atol first. Before the 1 million.
Oh, goodness.
Atol.
Crispy, no. This is atol.
1 million is atol. But I told you that you should know better. That your father must succumb. And this is what it is. Ha! And I know down there can
Digital Olo. Digital Olo.
Oko Sisi 1 of the Titi Kingdom.
Abomination. But we're not going to allow it in this land. All possible. Again, all possible.
The lizard thinks itself a crocodile. But a crocodile is a crocodile. Lizard. Sit down. I heard what happened.
Igwe, are you saying you are aware that Ogu and Ichiago Idika gathered in your son's house to crown him the king of this land?
They already crowned him.
Hello.
But I will not give them time to hurt me. Those involved in this must be punished.
Immediately. Immediately. This is a slap on our faces.
Oh no, Igwe, there must be an emergency meeting tomorrow. All cabinet members must be present.
Consider it done, Your Majesty. I will do it.
That's all for now.
Igwe.
King Roland, the Oko Sisi. Oko Sisi. Oko Sisi, 1 of it. King Roland, the Oko Sisi. Oko Sisi. Oko Sisi, 1 of it. It's very mean. Iwe juri yobi. You must agree to everything he says.
Hey, you old fools! Are you too blind? Eh? Can't you see that the Igbo Kosisi 1 of Etiti Kingdom is right here before you and you cannot say greetings? Why? Eh? Hey! No make a vex! If I vex, I go put up for your body to put us. Move that way. Move it.
Why are they people stopping?
Your Highness, can you imagine these old fools? These old fools! The Igbo Kosisi is standing before you and you cannot say greetings? Eh?
So you can't
Are you done ranting?
So you cannot recognize the king of Etiti Kingdom. Now, bow down before me and greet me as your king.
Once!
Igbo Kosisi 1 of Etiti Kingdom. Immediately.
Roland, I can never bow down to greet you.
You are not my Igbo,
and you can never be my Igwe because your father is still alive.
Are you mad?
You slapped me.
How dare you call my husband by his name? Are you crazy?
Why this man is not
Are you mad?
Go that door.
Deal with him.
Go that door. Come on. Go down. Get down. Your king is standing for you and you say you can't greet. Can you imagine?
The audacity.
Can I get to book yourself?
Thank you, bye.
Oh, Italian.
Your Highness.
Next time you will learn how to drink. Oh, you have a girl. You see what I like? Next time when you see your king.
1, 2, hey, go! 1.
When you see your king.
You greet.
When you see your king.
You greet.
Add more pressure.
You greet.
Yes.
You greet.
Ichofia, Roland is a disgrace to this land.
I do not blame him.
Eh?
I do not blame him. I blame our fellow members who disregarded their role and sold their conscience to the devil. That is why he's behaving the way he's behaving.
But we must stop him. Yes, we must. Roland is nobody. And he cannot be greater than this land, our land here. Okari line. We must stop him. You know, it's all impossible. We can Roland.
Our people are the cause of all these things.
Mm-hmm.
Our people are the cause of all this.
You become the millionaire. Yo, mo! Your husband is a millionaire from this moment.
Millionaire?
Yo, yes now.
Hi. Are you one of the elders that crowned Roland king?
I am the chairman of the elders that crowned Roland the king of the land. And I will not regret it. Do you know why? Because he's the only person that can move this community forward. Not that old fool of his father, who is very stingy, who cannot even give you 1 naira, 2 naira, even when you're dying. Since I've been working under him, have I been this happy? But today you can see I'm happy. Only today, the money Roland spread on us has made me a big man. He did not stop there. He promised each and every one of us 101 me. 101 me.
Man, I am looking at you. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Us? Ashamed of myself? How?
Nine, why will you join that small boy Roland to fight against his own father, the king of this land? Whatever you are collecting from him, I and my children will not be part of it.
He say, because already you are a poor woman and you want to die a wretched woman. As for me and my children, we will always be in support of Roland because that is the only way we can see light. We will be with him because we will benefit, we will continue to benefit. But you, you cannot a poor woman, no problem.
Nine, why didn't you ask him or advise him to wait until his father is dead? Why? Nine, in fact, I am so disappointed in you. I am so disappointed in you. All these things that we are doing, you will bear the consequences alone.
Iguachili is dead now. Have you not heard?
You will bear the consequences alone, Nine.
Bye, poor woman. She will start begging for money now. I don't know why I have to say that I picked some money. She will beg now. No problem.
Your Highness, what is this I'm hearing? Is this true? Eh?
Roland has made himself a king when I, his father, is still alive. He has indirectly declared me dead.
No, please don't say that. Don't say that, please. You have to stop him immediately.
So how do I do that? Fighting.
You can use the place.
The place?
Yes.
Have you forgotten his sudden influence on the place?
You're right. But we can't fold our hands and watch him commit such an abomination. He should be stopped.
Well, I have called for an emergency meeting from the cabinet.
Okay.
Roland has taken more than he can chew. I mean, he cannot succeed me when he has a big brother in the name of John.
Your Highness, I'm not talking about John. I'm concerned about Roland becoming the king when his father is still alive.
I'm concerned for both of them. We have tradition. He cannot be the king when his first brother is there. I mean, I don't want John to come back and meet this kind of situation. It will tear the kingdom apart.
It is only the leg that soil with mud enjoys everything.
Papa, what happened to you? What's the problem?
It's Rolando. Roland attacked me and Ichiofia on our way coming back from the palace. He said we must kneel down and address him as the new Igwe. And when we said no, he sent his boys to start beating us.
To do what? No. Papa, wait. Which of the Roland are you talking about?
The Roland you know. Ganwema.
Wambansi Roland. You say the same Roland I used to beat far back when we were in secondary school. Roland touched you.
That boy has turned to a monster.
No, Papa, forget that thing now. You say because he has made money. No, you say because he has chicken change. Oberego, Papa, one-on-one. You mga Roland there. One-on-one, mga Roland hands down. I will beat Roland blue and black. What are you saying?
Holy sir, it's not Roland of yesterday. Obrokwan Kanwema.
God, who made me and Roland there? Nga Roland now. Nga Roland. Don't worry.
Mwana hapo kwala.
I'm concerned for both of them. We have tradition. He cannot be the king when his first brother is there. I mean, I don't want John to come back and meet this kind of situation. It will tear the kingdom apart.
Mom? Mom, what is this I'm hearing about Roland becoming the Igwe of this land? I mean, even if father is dead, John should be the one to take over the throne as the elder son and not Roland.
Don't say what you don't know.
What? Is that what you're not telling me, Mom? Is John not your elder son? Or am I mistaken, Mom?
Ugo.
Mother.
I need to be left alone.
What?
You heard me.
Open that gate! Roland! Roland!
Hey! One more step, I'll blow your head off.
Roland! How dare you hand on my father! You are not worth this land, how dare you? Huh?
Orinni, I talk to men, not boys. You said I lay my hands on your father. Let your father come, man. I can't be talking to you.
It's like you've forgotten. You've forgotten how I used to beat you in our secondary school days, huh? If you try me, huh? No, watch for go. What do you got?
How dare you? How dare you talk to the king in such manner? Are you mad? Is something wrong with you? Are you insane? Are you on some cheap drugs or what? What is wrong with you? Are you a madman?
Hey, please, come and sit. It's not your fight, okay? Don't mind me. It's not worth your time.
You better watch it. Better watch it, else I will deal with you personally. Fool.
Roland,
Look at the way Osodieme humbled you. Now imagine what will happen to you when I see you as a problem. The next time you walk into my compound like this, I swear, you will disappear from the surface of...
What the tell these puppies to drop their gun? What the put your hands down? Tell these puppies to drop their gun. Put your hands down now. Hey! Move. Puppies! Get out! I'm working at village gate. I'm working at village road. When them now move to go. Bastard! Run out, idiot! Nonsense! Non-stackable!
It's not worth your time, okay? That was beautiful. Osodieme.
Oh, one of it is the kingdom. Father, I am not happy about what's happening. No one is talking to Roland.
I'm not silent about this. I've already fixed an emergency meeting from my cabinet members. I'm suspecting that some of them are with Roland.
Dad, this is not the time to be soft. You don't need to be soft on this. This is the time to punish Roland and those supporting him.
You're right. But trust me when I say I'm fixing this.
The truth is, I don't even understand my mother's stand on this. John is the heir apparent and not Roland.
No one is disputing it. My older son is still alive. No one will take his position, trust me.
Father, we just need to do something so fast. We just need to be fast about it.
Here comes the great Bengal. Mother of the youngest king.
What has come over you? What is wrong with you?
What were you trying to do? Wanted to slap me before my subjects?
You are very stupid. Do you know the consequences of what you have done? Do you? I want to speak to you inside now.
King Roland the Okosisi. Okosisi. Okosisi, one of it. It's Roland the Okosisi. Okosisi. Okosisi, one of it. It's very me.
Roland, you disappointed me.
I don't get it. Because I took what rightfully belongs to me? Listen, Mom, the deed has been done. Okay? I'm now the new king, so father should step down and shift. Let him step aside.
I'm disappointed at you. Yes! Go to your father and apologize to him.
I will do no such thing. Never. You advise your husband to step aside. I have modern things I want to infuse into kingship. This is Jet generation now. He's too old for this position. Life is all about time and season. So tell him to step aside.
Meaning what? I said you should go to your father and apologize to him. Yes!
I will do no such thing. I am the Okosisi of Etiti land. The deed has been done and nobody can reverse that.
Roland, do not provoke me further. Don't! Go and undo this. The people will hate you for this.
Who cares?
Roland, don't you think you can do this without my support? Yes, I have my reasons for telling you to go to your father and apologize to him. But if you think you can do this alone, I'm watching.
I am Okosisi one of Etiti kingdom, and there is nothing anybody born of a woman can do about it.
King Roland the Okosisi, Okosisi one of Etiti. Roland.
We all know the people behind this atrocity. Let them be arrested immediately.
Ichiono, arresting Ichiogo and co is not the solution here. The main problem is Roland. Once we stop him, those following him will disperse.
Then how do we stop him? I think that is the deliberations here. How do we stop him? Your Highness, I think I'm in support with Ichionora's suggestions. Let them be arrested. So that if there is any of us that is planning to join them tomorrow, we stop. Something has to be done.
I disagree with you, Ogonu. I disagree with you. Arresting Ichiogo and co will not stop Roland. If you like, try and see.
Ichioji, please take it easy. We are not quarreling.
What is happening with anyone here?
Ichioji, that's enough. Oh no. You must make arrangements for the arrest. They have to be arrested. For them not to appear and this meeting is a clear indication that they have something up their sleeves. They must sign letter of undertaking that they are not against my reign.
Your Highness, consider it done. Emecha go be Emecha.
On that note, this meeting is over.
He has taken the bull by the horn. He said that delay is dangerous. Ojidegi biago talimegi fe bagi mowo ifunanya. If you disobey, Ojidegi biago talimegi fe bagi mowo ifunanya. What is done, no going back. No one dares me, I am the king, I am unstoppable.
What is the decision of the elders in council?
Ichiogo and others with him are to be arrested with immediate effect.
Arrest? You think arresting them will remedy the situation? Your Highness, my son Roland has all the influence you can think of on the police.
I've written to the governor. Does your son have the power to genuflect the conscience of the governor too?
Your Majesty, if you ask me, I would say dialogue is the best option.
Dialogue with who? Roland, that I've been trying to be lenient with him does not mean that I don't know the measures to take. If he push me further, I will spoil the rod.
You mean fight with your own son?
Then tell your son that he will never be a king even after me.
This advantage Igwe has taken. Eh? I told Igwe that all those people that are behind this atrocity happening in our community, all of them must be arrested.
But you were there when Igwe said I should make arrangement for the arrest.
What are you still waiting?
We are just coming back now. First thing tomorrow morning. First thing tomorrow morning, you will hear the news.
But they have overstayed their welcome.
The issue is that I don't even know it could be money. That boy Roland, you can imagine a whole Ichiogo, Nago, and then Megari because of ego.
You may not blame them. You may not want that.
Ago. Oh, Mark, you put
Hey! Move that way. Fast. Move. Move. And keep calm as you're going. Quiet.
Cheers. Okosisi. The only Okosisi of Etiti Kingdom. Powerful man.
Onowu.
Okosisi.
The latest Onowu. Digital Onowu. Onowu, you know I like you.
I know.
That means you have no problem.
Okosisi, I told you to relax. You don't have to bother yourself. I told you that your father will have no option than to succumb.
Digital Onowu.
Okosisi.
For saying this alone, I will transfer 5 million naira into your account before you leave here.
Ha! Aganata Okosisi. Eh? May you reign forever.
Your Majesty, may your reign be long.
You're welcome, Ugeze. Why are you panting like a lost sheep?
Your Majesty, Onowu and Ichi Onora were kidnapped this afternoon by some unknown gunmen.
Are you blind? Look at my digital Onowu seated here. Are you not aware? This is the latest Onowu of Etiti Kingdom now.
Your Highness, I am referring to Ichi Enduka.
Oh, Ichi Enduka. He is no longer the Onowu now. Oh. Are you not aware? Anyway, what happened to them?
Your Highness, they were kidnapped just this afternoon by some unknown gunmen in my very presence.
Now, their ego should give the boys some money now. There is hunger in the land.
Ah!
They are stingy people. They don't buy drinks. They don't do salaka. So they will move them normally. Let their ego give the boys some money so that these people will come back. If you take care of his
you are very correct.
His zone.
Okosisi, let their ego take care of them. This is a new era, Abi.
They are not covering their area well. If they are covering the area well, there should be no such thing.
Okosisi.
I wonder why Onowu is still delaying to give me a situation report.
Your Majesty, I told you that the approach will not work. Call for dialogue and iron things out for both parties.
Leave dialogue out of this, woman. I'm not going into that.
Then we are not ready to tackle the problem.
Hello.
I meant nothing but what I just said. Call for dialogue. You said no. Let me see how police is going to solve the problem. You're only giving room for anarchy in this land.
Watch your mouth. You are addressing Iguachiri, one of Great Etiti Kingdom. You don't have right to lecture me on how to run this kingdom.
Judge. Oji, what is happening?
Igwe, my queen, I greet you. Igwe, Egudi, do you know who and Onwala were kidnapped on the way from here?
Did you say adopters? By who?
They said it's unknown gunmen. Igwe, up till now, their whereabouts is unknown.
How is that even possible in this land? The commissioner of police must hear about this. Those behind this must be brought to book.
Officer, what is it that I'm hearing about your father?
What exactly did you hear about my father?
I heard that your father and the chair honorable were kidnapped this afternoon when they were coming out from the palace meeting. Is it true?
Looking at you, it okay in our boss. It okay in our sitters, but be very careful. Be very, very careful with me, because when I start, I will so deal with all of you. Heads will roll in this community.
Why are you pointing your fingers at me? Did I kidnap your father, or did I send people to kidnap him?
You were looking at Mama Pologaya now. No, you were looking at Mama Pologaya. Let me look for my father. Let me look for my father. You will know what I'm made of. You will know the reason they call me Akajidam Wadawa. I will so deal with you and all your group.
Only sir, nobody can run away from this land because of you. I will remain here. I will die in this place, even as a hero. Only sir, I can't run away from you. He said, Hey, you want to touch me? You want to touch me? And it's here.
That's what I'm saying.
He's here in the car.
People are passing. I would have strangled you and buried you. You know? People are passing.
What has come over this boy? What really has come over this boy? Did he text something? Hey! Bana is working.
I have called the commissioner of police and he promised that his men will be swinging into action immediately.
Your Majesty, they have to follow the matter up.
Yes, Your Majesty. Because delay will be very dangerous.
The reason I called the commissioner, personally, he has never failed me.
Let us keep our fingers crossed. Let nothing happen to Uno and Chief Honora.
Nothing will happen to them.
You see...
King Roland, the Okosisi, one of it. King Roland, the Okosisi, one of it. It's very mean. Iwe juri yobi, onuma juri yaro. You must agree to everything he said.
I'm sorry. And who is your name? Is that how to greet the queen of this land? Stone?
Standing by General White Mama.
I want you to teach this old, wretched, foolish woman some respect. So that next time when she sees the queen, she knows how to greet.
Yes, my queen. As you wish, my queen. Go down, go down, go down. I said, go down, go down. I know they like. If I provoke, you don't go lie down. Madam, lie down. I said, make you lie down, lie down. You know they hear me. Your queen is talking and you're standing. Eh, who you be?
What did they bring all this kind? Too much. What did they bring familiarity? Eh? What did they bring familiarity?
What happened? Stop it, young man. You want to kill her? Huh?
And who are you to tell him to stop? You, this wretched old fools in this land. Yes. Don't you know how to greet? When you see your queen, don't you know how to greet your queen? Osodieme, one of a Titi kingdom.
You say, you don't know how to greet? What are you talking about? You don't know how to greet. Did you hear that? You don't know how to greet. Greet her. Hey, greet.
Stone.
Standing by.
I've changed my mind.
Oh.
On your news.
What?
I said on your news now.
Are you aware you are asking the elders of this land to kneel down?
Do you see my cap?
Stone, I'm losing
it.
Go
down. Go. I said go.
Hey.
See, if you move, I will move you. Now, lie down.
Lie down, my friend.
Go down. Go down.
Go down. Go down. Put your head. Put it on the floor. If your queen is talking, General White Mama, what do I do with these old fools?
I want you to beat both of them. Beat them black and blue. No mercy.
Your wish is always my command. My friend, come on. Lie. Lie down. Where? Lie. Hey, straight to hand. Lie. Will you lie down? Lie down. Oh, yeah, lie.
I never knew I was this smart. They will deal with Ichiofa ruthlessly. He wasn't that smart. I think they have gone. Gods of our land. What kind of trouble is this? Gods of our land. Protect us, oh.
Honorable Commissioner, my point is simple, yeah? Those are my opponents, yes. It's not like I wished them evil, but God might be punishing them, so let's not intervene too much, yeah? Don't go deep in the investigation, yes. They are suffering for what they did in the past, yes. How are we even sure it is kidnappers? Maybe it's people that they are owing. Are you getting me? So relax and don't stress yourself, okay? I will send you 5 million naira for inconveniences. Alright, thank you very much. So again, you look worried. What is it?
Your Majesty, can you believe one useless, old, haggard, wicked, in fact, one stupid woman blocked my path this afternoon? As I was dealing with her, some useless non-entity, I don't even know where they came from. I believe they came from your father's side, came to interrupt me. What audacity! Do they know who I am? Do they know that I am the queen of this land?
Stone, standing by, General.
Aqua,
live long, Your Highness.
Go into this kingdom. Find out the lady that blocked Osodieme today and the useless elders that interfered. I want them all here before the end of today.
Yes, Your Highness.
Don't come back if you have no good result.
Yes, Your Majesty. Live long, Your Highness.
Relax. Don't worry.
The audacity!
Calm down. Before the end of today, trust me, we will fish them out and I will deal with them mercilessly. Sit.
Ezinne, why did you block her way? Did you not know that she's the queen of this land?
She's not. She's not my queen. She is not the queen of this land and can never be. She's too heartless. Too heartless to be the queen of this land.
She cannot be. Now look at what her bodyguards did to you. Look at your body. Ezinne, I've told you. Do not bring problem upon yourself because I will not come out and support you. Definitely I will not come out.
Don't come out. I don't need your support. Don't come out.
What kind of woman is this? Stay on your own. Leave people that want to stay on their own to stay on their own. They are not looking for you. Keep away from any. Hey! Again. The soldiers. The great soldiers of the great king of Ekiti land. What do I owe this August visit?
Aqua, that's the woman. Move her.
Woman, move it. I said move it. I can understand the fact that you are old enough to be my mother. I do not want to get violent. I said move it!
Please, what is she?
Do not make this baby cry on you. Move!
Hey! What has she done? What has she done now? Hey! Oh! Easy now! Move it! What has she done? What has she done?
Hey, move back. Go back.
Move back! She's my wife. What has she done now? Hey! What has she done now? What has she done? Hey! What has she done? What has she done? Eh? This woman, I told you, you will put yourself in trouble. You will put yourself into trouble. Eh? Where will they take you to now? I don't know. Hey! Hey! I'll go then.
Oji. These boys are very wicked. Imagine what they did to an old man like you. Huh?
Ichiofia, we should have run too. You should have run like I did. Huh?
So wait. Are you trying to tell me that you are smarter than me? Huh?
Oji, who's talking about being smart here? They dealt with you because you did not run. Anyway, sorry for what happened. It's okay. Ndo? Family am.
What happened?
Ndo? Makade. They are buggy.
Hi.
If you move, you're a dead man. Hey, in fact, move. Go ahead. Move. Don't kill us. Move. Please don't kill us. Move. Go on. Coward. Come on then. Let's go.
Now will you move it?
Hey, move.
Move it.
Move. I said move.
Move.
Move inside.
Move. Move.
I said move. Move it there, sucker. Move it.
Look at them, my king. These are the ugly, stupid village elders that scolded me when I was punishing this thing here.
Even if you don't have respect, you should have fear. Well, let's start from here first. Are you with me or against me? Can't you even greet?
Hey, greet. Now!
You are not my ego now. We only have only one ego actually.
Yeah?
That's okay. At least I know where he stands. What is that red cap still doing on his head?
Get down! I said,
Get back.
Hey, can't you greet?
Igwe, Ekademge.
Is that how far you can go?
Great is my king. May your days be long.
Good. You may leave. Your sins are forgiven.
Igwe.
Move. Hey. Today.
What about you? Won't you acknowledge me as your king?
Your father is still alive. He's our Igwe.
Oh, say
Okay. Give this useless old fool 40 strokes of cane. In fact, make it 42 for his stupidity. And as for the woman, let's be fair on her. Give her 30 lashes. And that's it.
Yes, Your Highness.
Immediately.
Get down! Get down!
Stone, make it 35. Yes, 35.
Go down. Go!
Igwe! Hey! Yes. Igwe! Hey! Igwe, I'm finished. I am finished.
What happened?
Hey, your son has killed me.
What did my son do to you?
Igwe, your son gave me 40 strokes of cane. In case I want me he added it to above 42. Hi!
What did you say?
Because I refuse to call him Igwe.
What?
How would you even say?
It's your family. Sorry.
Your Majesty.
Sorry.
Did anything the matter?
Your son, Roland, is at it again. He had Ugeze.U.Ugeze receive 40 strokes of cane for not addressing him as a king.
Igwe, the most part of it is about my bottom. My bum, he's burying me! Oh God! Hi, Igwe! Igwe!
Please, Your Majesty. You have to forgive me. You have to forgive me, Your Majesty. I was so scared that I had to address him as Igwe.
Igwe!
Because I couldn't receive what he received. I'm sorry, Your Majesty.
You address my son as the king. Where is your loyalty?
Okay.
Please, Your Majesty. I was scared. I was scared of being treated the way Usurper was treated. I'm sorry, Your Majesty. I'm sorry.
Disappointed at both of you.
Better!
Yes. Look at him. His bottom is on fire.
Which of you?
Huh? Igwe!
I'm sorry for what my son did to you.
Thank you, Igwe.
I'll give you some money to treat yourself.
Huh?
I am compelled to meet with my son now.
You give me some money.
That I will do.
Oh, always in dough. Always in dough. Dough. Only faster. Give me the money.
Hey! Listen then. Did I not warn you about the looming danger? Did I not warn you? I told you.
Roland will never see anything good in his life.
Hey, don't talk. People are watching. People are hearing you. Don't talk anything against the king of this land. I am not there.
He is not our king. He can never be.
Shut up.
Roland will pay. He will pay for all his evil in this land.
Whatever you say.
He will suffer.
I am not part of you. Look at my hands. They are clean. You will eat what you are talking here. My hands are not there.
I'm not asking you to support me. I am not asking you. Look at me. Look at me. What did I do? What did I do to Roland? What did I do to Roland? Roland will suffer. His family, his wife. They will suffer. They will cry for help. And they will not see. The gods of this land will desert him and his family.
Now, this one. Can you cut your mouth short? Hey! You boy, Hey! Up till now, nothing is heard of Ono and Honor. Not even a call from the adopters. Does that mean that my son has a hand in this? I think the best thing is to summon him.
I have discussed with our son and he's ready for dialogue.
Have you also asked your son if he's involved in the Ono's kidnap?
Well, Your Majesty, that is an accusation Roland will not take lying down. Why would he kidnap Ono?
You should ask yourself the same question. Talk to your son. I am beginning to lose it.
Well, Your Majesty, I have tried my best to talk sense into our son, and he has accepted a dialogue. Anything aside that, count me out. Excuse me.
Hello. I say, what are we going to do?
I'm dying of hunger here. I'm dying of hunger here. Please, let's do what they asked us to do. Number one.
Honorable, keep quiet.
Hunger.
Keep quiet. You are behaving like a child. See, if it means me dying for the truth, I am ready for it. I am ready.
No. I'm not going to die for you. I'm not going to die you. After everything, Igor Chile will reconcile with his son Roland. Ago.
How dare you blaspheme against the king? Huh? Honora, if you have made up your mind to go against the gods of this land, let me tell you, you are on your own. No. Count me out.
Hungry. Hey, what did happen here? What are people discussing? I heard voices.
He said he's hungry. He's hungry.
This is just the beginning. We are ready to keep both of you here for 2 weeks without food or water. Only if you cooperate, then you have your freedom. Ichendoka, are you ready to resign from your office as a Olongu of 80th Kingdom?
It's not in my powers. I owe legends to no other person than Igwe or Chelewan and the people of Ekiti Kingdom. So it's not in my powers.
Tell me what you want me to do. The suffering of Afua is too much. Please.
Keep quiet! Quiet! I'm not going to release you people from here
except Ichie and Nduka accepting our condition for your freedom.
Guy, let's go. We are not ready.
Hey, quiet! Keep quiet!
Oh no, they are going now. Oh, if I die here, my blood is on your head here.
Oh no.
Huh?
Oh no, don't die. Don't die here.
Your Highness, up till now, nothing is heard about my father's disappearance. Because I don't understand, how can the Onowu of this great kingdom be kidnapped and you're seated here, relaxing in this palace and doing nothing about it?
Olisa, calm down. I am on top of this matter. And the police are doing their investigations too.
I see where. Let us tell ourselves this truth. We all know who is holding my father hostage. Tell Roland to release my father. Yes, Roland is the one keeping my father. Tell him to release my father. Or some police.
Well, Olisa, there is no need to make false accusations when we are not sure of what truly transpired. Like I said, your father and that of Honora will gain their freedom soon.
I'm just respecting you. I swear to God, I am just respecting you. Otherwise, I would have done something disastrous in this community. I would have committed a sacrilege in this community. But don't worry. It's fine. Yeah? It's fine. Just today. Let today pass and my father does not come home. What I will do in this community, Also, you know what I am made of. Idiot.
That's what I'm going through. Having Roland as son.
Greetings, Your Majesty. You sent for me.
Yes.
Deliver this letter to my son. Go to his house. Make sure you deliver it to him directly. If it's not in his house, step back until he comes. I hope this is clear.
Yes, Your Majesty. I will do that immediately.
I learned that the Chionora and Onowu have not been found.
The police has not come up with any useful result.
Father, are we going to be waiting on the police endlessly? Why not send the youth of this land to comb the bushes, uncompleted buildings? You know, these men might be hidden in any of these areas I just mentioned.
Good point. But not until I must have spoken to your brother is behind all this.
Don't tell me you intend going to his house.
I've given a letter to him.
Well, John called me this morning. He has heard about Roland.
Yes, I spoke with him too, and I asked him to stay back until I'm done with my plans.
Father, why will you ask him to stay back? Allow him to come back and fight for his right. You may not handle this alone. Please let him come back and fight for his right. There is no time.
I'm still the king. A supreme authority. No case is above my capacity.
Dad, I just want us to be at the safe side. Let John come back and fight for his rights.
King Roland, the Okosisi. Okosisi. Okosisi, one of It's Roland, Ugeze.
Hey, match it there. Stop.
Good day.
So what brings you here?
I brought a message from the king. Ta! What king are you talking about? Eh? Listen, young man, do not make such mistake again if you love your life. There is only one king, and that is King Ugeze, one of Etiti Kingdom. Do you understand me? It's okay, I understand you. Please just take it easy, okay?
No.
Please.
Did you hear what he said?
Yes.
Now let me have it.
The king said I should. Are you deaf? Eh? One more word from you and I will lose this bullet on your forehead. Please, don't shoot me, please. Please. How dare you? His father said I should deliver this message to him directly. Please. Akwa.
Come. Turn around. Turn.
Okay. Turn.
Face that way.
Please don't.
Hey! One more word from you.
I'm just a messenger from the palace. I'm here to deliver a message.
Do not turn.
No one dares me.
I have summoned all the women of this land here tomorrow for a meeting. I need to address them as the queen of this land. They need to know that there is a new queen in town.
It's not a bad idea, yes. Just make sure they leave with gifts.
Okay.
I will send you 5 million naira.
What?
Just to make sure that happens.
My king. Thank you, my husband. Husband of my youth. Thank you. I'm so happy.
Igwe, long live your highness.
What is it?
There's a young man out there. He said your father has instructed him to pass a message to you.
He can pass the message through you.
Yes, your highness. But he said your father instructed that the message must be delivered to you directly, your highness.
Okay, let him in.
Yes, your highness.
What does he want this time?
Let's watch and see.
Good afternoon, sir.
Are you mad? What did you just say? Did you just address the king of this land as sir? And I'm talking, you're still standing. My friend, will you kneel and greet the king properly?
Good afternoon, your majesty.
Remove his cap. Now, why are you here?
The Igwe sent me to deliver this message.
Will you just shut up? Listen, there is only one Igwe in this land, and that is my husband. So you will address him as your king. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am. Also, dear, may leave this fool. Yes, can't you see no Rini? Not Tolo now. Don't worry. He's not worth your energy. Come and sit.
Rubbish.
Leave him. Come and sit. Drop the letter here. And get lost.
Thank you.
I can get out. Seize the cap.
Hey!
No one dares me. I am the king. I am unstoppable. I am the ruler. Not even my father can stop me. Nobody at all.
You are standing before Okosi's one of a Titi kingdom. Maunweli Bubu, and you are doing Niya. So you don't know how to greet a king when you see one.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Again?
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Louder.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
I can't hear you.
Greetings, Your Majesty. Hey.
Chika, you are so lucky that Roland did not send his boys to teach you a lesson. If you know what those people did to me this afternoon, my eyes saw the back of my head. That guy is so mean.
I even had the mind to do that in his father's house.
Roland, he has no conscience. I can't even wait for his elder brother to come back so they can resolve all these issues they're having in the palace.
I don't know that one, no.
Yeah? You don't know Prince John? He's such a nice person, very cool-headed, not like that useless Roland.
There will be trouble in this palace if Igwe did not stop Roland in time before it's too late.
See you, there is fire on the mountain already. Anybody that do anything wrong, Roland will teach that person a lesson in this place.
I heard he had a hand in Onowu and Chief Honora's disappearance. Is it true?
Yusuf, I'm a boy. So I heard too. I heard that Igwe summoned him too.
Roland. Father, greetings.
Roland, why have you chosen to humiliate me?
How did I humiliate you, Father?
All this thing you are putting on is for what? Do you think that one can be a king when his father is still alive?
Father, forget about that old mentality. I came to you, I begged you like son and father. Step aside, okay? I have modern things I want to infuse into kingship. Let me walk. You are too old for this game. You are becoming weak and
Will you shut up? Shut up!
You can't shut me up like that. Obi is no longer a ball.
Roland, I'm giving you 24 hours.
Pull off all this. Stop parading yourself as a king. Pull off all this. Take it off.
Mekwe kan yo. Meye kan yo.
I'm so giving you from now till evening to release the Chienduka and the Chuanora, because I know you are the reason behind the adoption.
Mekwe, come on, me kan yo. Let's go.
My prince,
you're welcome. It is only the leg that soil with mud enjoys everything. What a good end, what
Honorable Commissioner, there is a kidnapper in town. Yes, I saw him today. You know those people that will come and be dressing like Yahoo boys, confusing people that they are doing Yahoo. Meanwhile, they are kidnappers. I saw one today. Don't worry. I will send you all the information. We will make sure he's brought to book and he will spend the rest of his life in jail. That is if he survives it. They can't spoil our community. I will send you the details and everything. Don't forget to send me that your account again. Let me service it. It's been a while. Alright. John, I will make sure you rot in jail.
What kind of madness is that? You tell me, who made him the king of this land when my father and I are still alive? I couldn't believe what I heard. What has come over him?
Your brother Roland has brought shame to this family.
Father, I will not allow it. I will nip him in the bud.
And you think it's that easy? Is that why you came back in the first place?
Mother, tell me! Whose house who will hear his house is on fire and will go about chasing rats? This is my inheritance we're talking about!
John, please calm down. Your father said you should allow him to handle it the way he's doing. And I don't want you to end up having problem with your brother.
Who cares? Mother, who cares? You're sounding as if Roland is my elder brother. No, he is my younger brother. And we're talking about my inheritance here, for God's sake. What the hell is wrong with him?
Son, I don't want you to do anything yet. I'll fix this.
Father, you are petting this guy. Allow me deal with him. Allow me put him where he belongs.
Will you keep quiet? What is the matter with you? Your father said you should allow him to handle it the way he's doing. Meanwhile, the throne is not even yours yet. But it's your father's. What is the matter with you? Why are you wrecking? Please!
You want to be our king, by fire, by force, why? Father and son at war, serious fight. Father and son at war, serious fight. Over the kinship, this is not pleasant at all. Don't start what you cannot finish.
George, which is your highness?
Wait. I hope all is well.
All is well, your highness. Onowu and Ichi Honora are back. They returned this morning.
Really?
Yes, your highness. It is true. Even though I've not been to the houses to confirm the information, I was told that Ichi Honora is in the hospital.
Well, you have to go to Onowu's house to confirm. And also go to Honora's house to find out the truth.
I'll do just that.
Alright, I'll be waiting for your feedback.
I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you. Igwe.
Calmness of lion does not make him a weak lion. Ebunelazo weli webiogo ki malokwa makifa ko jemile di anambaka onye solutanu olilanu madu ogerianu dene whoever that is leading you is leading you to danger. Opere nwana mwilienu.
Who is here? Anybody home? Or why not? Where's your father? I heard he's back.
Is that the reason you're here?
Yes. Someone told me he came back this morning. Please tell him I'm here.
Ojiokosis, I have a question for you. What did you and the Igwe do concerning my father's disappearance?
Is that question supposed to be for?
No, it's for you. Yes. You and the Igwe folded your arms, watching to know what will happen to my father. To know if my father will die or not. And you're here now asking me stupid question.
Nah. Why are you sounding like this?
Now can say that.
The Igwe and his cabinet are doing everything possible.
What can say that? Get out of this place.
Are you asking me out of your house?
Get out! Get out! Get out of this place! Tell whoever that sent you! Tell whoever that sent you that my father is not yet back! No! You and the Igwe, Nara! You and the Igwe, Nara! Stay there with me! You are not the one who is not speaking over there. I will start deal with all of you. My father, you know who can over there. No, don't worry. Who is your Igwe?
Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from Nollywood's house.
You see him? I heard he came back this morning.
The drama at the Nollywood's house was not a small one.
What happened?
That his son, his attitude when I asked him about his father was something else. Do you know this boy threw me out of the house and warned me never to get back to the house again?
What is wrong with him?
How will I know? He even denied that his father came back.
This is serious.
Very serious.
Why should he do that?
He said the Igwe and the council members did not secure his father's freedom.
That one is stupid. That's
very stupid. And I'm going to the Igwe's palace to tell him what I saw. I even want to branch at Onoche's house to find out from his people the hospital he's in.
Let's go together. Let's go.
Nonsense. Yeah? Let me see you here again. I will show the people of this community what I am made of. Dara, is your father back? Who are you to ask if my father is back or not? Idiot. Let me see you here again. If I don't break your head, call me an idiot. I will show... Bastard. Dara.
You were too harsh to him now.
Babako's not acting, Pico. Which one is you were too harsh on him? Yeah? Papa, 2 nights! What if you had died in their hands? 2 nights without water, without food? You never assume you were too harsh on him.
That was in the past. Oga Fego.
Well, look, I'm able to
Oga.
King Roland, the Oko Sisi. Oko Sisi, one of it. It's Roland, the Oko Sisi. Oko Sisi, one of it. It's very mean. Iwe Oko Sisi. Oko Sisi, one of it. It's most.
Your Majesty. Thank you. Lisa, welcome. How are you? I'm fine. Oh no.
Your Majesty.
How are you?
I'm fine. You in my house?
Yes. I was passing by and decided to stop over. Lisa, welcome.
Get the envelope.
Yes, Your Highness. See me in my house later, okay? I need to discuss business with you.
In your castle?
In my castle.
I'm following you already. Where now? I can see you.
Give it to him. Oh no. Here is 1 million naira.
1 million naira.
Just use it and take care of yourself.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
More.
Later now.
1 billion naira, you know, if I come back. Disrespect about the king go, you know. Oh, get there. I can't wait to go there. I want to know if the king will help me travel abroad. I'm working at Eleka over there. But let me keep this one.
It's very me. Iwe Joko Sisi. Joko Sisi, one of it. It must agree. So everything he said. Joko Sisi. You must support him.
Wait. Even Iche Onora, son, said he doesn't know the name of the hospital to be Faratu.
They did not even give us attention, Your Majesty. I think all is not well, oh.
Yes. You mean you did not see him at his house? I did not see him, Your Majesty. I suggest you summon his son. He claimed his father is not back.
Very well then. I will send words across to his family and that of Onoche's family. I must find out what is going on.
That will be right, Your Majesty. I suggest you take our leave now.
It is only the lake that soil with mud enjoys everything. What a good end I had. What a good end I had.
Mother, you told me you were going for a meeting.
And what does that mean? Am I forbidden for visiting my son?
That's not why I'm here anyway.
So why are you here?
Roland, I've come to warn you. I've come to warn you to stop parading yourself as the ego of this community. And for these urchins, street urchins you parade as bodyguards, it interests you to note that I do not even see them. It is my birthright. I'll be the next Igwe after father. So stop what you're doing. Desist.
If you think you can stop me from parading myself as the king, why don't you go ahead and do that and stop making noise?
Me making noise, Roland?
You are backing.
Parade yourself again as the king and face my wrath.
Look at your name. John Afandembu. Warn him not to visit here again, else my boys might do something that we all will end up regretting. Remember, they don't know you are my brother, so be careful.
Call these boys, these are urchins. Mother, I am suspecting you and I'm not comfortable with the way you're handling this thing. I don't know the game you are playing. Right in front of you, my younger brother is insulting me and you could not admonish him? I'm surprised at you, mother.
I should be asking you what is going on. What are you doing here? To warn him? Are you okay? Are you okay?
I will tame him. Mark my words. I will tame Roland. Excuse me. Go and get employed. Are you guys escorting me? Oh, good. You can do that. Ooh, let's go.
You're lucky this time. You might not live to tell the story the next time.
Excuse me, my prince. Do you care for some fruits? There are some in the fridge.
Chika, thank you. Next time.
Okay, my prince.
Sure.
Brother,
Mm-hmm.
you are here.
Yeah.
Are you alright?
Go.
Yes.
I want you to tell me the truth.
Okay.
You know, I've not been around when these old tussles started in the kingdom. And to be frank with you, I am beginning to doubt Mother.
Why? What happened?
Do you know I met Mother in Roland's house? Both of them were laughing and joking when they saw me. Ugo, you needed to have seen the countenance on their faces. It shows really something was amiss. Could it be that Mother is supporting Roland?
That would be strange. I mean, how could she?
I also heard she's been having a series of meetings with Roland in his house. But I'll make my findings.
Please make your findings and be sure before drawing conclusion.
You're right. But I want this discussion to be classified. Mother should not be aware of this. Keep it away from her. I no longer trust Mother. Don't.
You look worried. What is it?
That's because I'm not happy.
It is written all over your face. Talk to me. What is bothering you?
My king, 5 years of marriage and nothing to show for it. I am ashamed of myself.
Are you God? Do you want to rush God? Allow God to do His thing, His way, at the appropriate time.
I know I'm not God, but heaven help those who help themselves.
Forget about that adage. Even in the Bible it is written, it's not all about he that runneth or willeth, but it's of what is how did they talk about? He that the Lord showeth mercy. Do you understand?
With my king, at least let's go to the hospital and know if something is wrong with us medically.
I am medically fit. Nothing is wrong with me medically. You can go and check yourself. You can go to the hospital. I'm not stopping you. It's as simple as that.
This is my problem with you. You are not bothered. You are not concerned. Like you. 5 years of our marriage and nothing to show for it. We don't even have even one child. And you're just calm about it. My king, I'm talking to you. I'm the woman here. People are laughing at me. My king.
Why, Kajifo?
Greetings. The Igwe needs your presence at the palace immediately.
I don't understand. This one you dress like Omata people. Abi, should I call you tax collectors? So I'm supposed to be afraid of you. Yeah? Who be your Igwe? Who is your Igwe?
Igwe Ochili, one of Etiti Kingdom.
I don't understand. I don't even know your Igwe.
He said you should come with me immediately.
Oh, that's wonderful. And you came to bundle me, right?
Yes, please.
Just a moment, huh?
All right, please, hurry up.
Yes, I'll be fast. Now, 1 second now. Please,
I heard you talking with someone. Who is that person?
Is he not the palace messenger? Are you going to needed my presence at the palace? As Guinea? No. Seems you don't know me too well. Yeah? You've not asked of me in this community. They sent you to come and bundle me, and you came.
So what happened?
Papa, I chased him away now.
You did?
Yes, Papa.
Can you listen to yourself? A holy way sent somebody to call you and you chased that person out. Oh, Lisa.
Nah, Papa, I don't understand though. I don't understand the way you feel sometimes. No, we are not actually going to get a village. Oh no, for you. Igwe will be now pay pump in this community. Don't you anything Igwe yourself? What has Igwe done to you? What has Igwe done for you since I know you and Igwe? Papa, don't upset me.
Are you sure of what you have just said?
Yes, Your Majesty. He chased me away with a cutlass. I had to run for my life.
You may leave.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Father, I think all is not going well with Onowu. As a matter of fact, I doubt his loyalty.
Onowu is the last person to lick the boot.
So, what happened to his son? Why the sudden change?
You have to ask the child as if it is worth the arm. That's how to find out. Honora's family are not left out. They are behaving so funny too. Last time I checked, some elders I sent to the hospital with some money to pay his bills said that their own brother, Roland, has foot the bills.
Roland? Father, this is not good news. I think there is something that is going on that you...
Papa, is this where you are?
Yes.
I want to go and see Roland concerning the appointment you gave me yesterday.
Oh, listen, I am troubled. And I don't think I can continue like this. I don't think.
I don't understand you. What are you saying?
It's alright. Just hold on. Excuse me.
I don't understand. Why you rewind me?
This morning. What is whining? Whining how? Are you calling me an actor? That I'm acting drama? There's nothing like drama here, okay? Return it. See, I have accepted to stay on my own. I do not want anything that will choke me in the nearest future. When earlier I said,
nothing is choking you. Nothing is choking you. Like, if you don't need this money, I need the money.
And you return this money. I don't need it.
You know where did you make I need this money. I don't understand. Eh? Even the way you're trying to protect, the way you're standing has not given you this kind of money before. Also return it. Look, Papa, this money can actually buy me a kind of paper. So return it. Return it. Look, Papa, if you look for me for 24 hours and you don't see me, just know I don't use this money to travel to Lagos. So I don't use the money to Lagos.
You see, Ichionora, my spirit is disturbed. We cannot desert from Igwe now.
Oh no. Which of the Igwes are you talking about?
I see. Can you listen to yourself? We have only but one Igwe. Igwe actually one of Ekiti Kingdom. So, we cannot disappoint him more.
Forget that stingy and greedy Igwe. Now listen. I valued my life more than any other thing. I cannot risk it at this crucial moment.
Are you the one talking?
Yes.
It's all right. I have returned the money he gave to me.
You did what?
You heard me.
You should have given it to me. Now listen. No, You are going to regret this.
I will regret nothing, Ichionora. I will regret nothing. Have a nice day.
Nice day too. Return the money back to Igwe. Why not give me that money? Yeah? Why not give me that money? Yeah? Aye.
Olisa.
What Sisi?
You are my man and I can do anything for you.
Exactly, I know now.
Your loyalty is not in doubt. I want you to help me convince our youths. Tell them to stand by me. Then leave the rest for me.
Just the youths. Away for us on now. The youths are already on your side. Yeah? Man, if I found the vehicle, I will need money to mobilize them.
It can never be a problem, okay? I will give you 500,000 mobilization fee.
500,000 naira. Listen, I will not only bring the youths of this community to you, I will add the women.
Oh, you will add the women. In that case, I will make it 1 million now.
Now stop it now. Because this is stop it now. 1 me? What? What causes the one? Odogwa kataka. Okay, kita jisi ayo. Ozo burisi utu nekenyi. Ozo burisi ona loke ba yenye. 1 million naira. What's up with you now?
As for your useless father, tell him he is free to come and collect the money he rejected anytime he needs it.
About my useless father, you know, my father is a very good friend of your father. And that is why he's finding it very difficult to leave him. But not to worry. I will talk to him. No, until my father abron sobu. More. Nyekele poton so. I got it okay. You go over there.
You're making too much noise.
Okay now.
This is this is special one. Yes, I told the wine tapper to make it special because you're visiting me. Is it not special?
Very special.
Hey! Oh no. Roland has made this home a special home. My family now is enjoying and I'm enjoying. We can now feed 3 times a day. Better like before.
Really?
Yes, like I said.
You see, my friend, Roland is a very good man. Sure. That is why I followed him. Yes. But his father, a Quinsu, very stingy man. And he will die in stinginess.
That stinginess will kill him.
That's right.
It will kill him. Roland has taken over and so shall it be.
He said,
yes.
I learned that John has come back and has started agitating.
That one? He came back, but there's nothing he can do. He cannot offer our people anything. He cannot offer anything. So it is better he start going back to where he came from.
I trust Roland is going to deal with him squarely.
See them. See them, evil men. You've gathered again to plot evil against the land, isn't it? Listen, I've heard about your nefarious activities in this land. I've heard everything. But it's unfortunate that elders like you who are supposed to protect the interest and sanctity of the land will engage in plotting evil.
Point of correction, John. How can you come into this place and start insulting no one eye? Where do you see us plot evil?
Listen, the reason I've not descended on 2 of you, is because of the office you occupy. Mark my words. It's the office I'm looking at. I respect customs and tradition a lot. But tell me, how can 2 of you be supporting a son to become king when the father is still alive?
point of order. Don't order me. Don't give me any order. How dare you? Excuse me. Listen, I've come to tell you that your plans will not work. It will not work. And I give you 24 hours. 24 hours to renounce Roland and return to status quo. This is the last time I warn you. Excuse me.
Do you realize you're talking to no who? He does not know.
I thought he said he's a prince. A prince will come to where others are seated and he will be talking in her and he will be insulting them and he thinks he can become a king. He has come to agitate over nothing. He will die. He will die. Yes.
But he doesn't know.
Hey, you should go start warning his brother, not us. Did you do anything? Did you cause anything? Did you plan any evil? To hell with you.
So you said John came to your house and threatened you.
Your Majesty, he said so many things.
He said we should leave you. He gave us 24 hours. Yes, 24 hours to leave you.
Yes.
Listen, don't worry about John, okay? The youths and the women are on our side.
Oh, that's a good news, Your Majesty.
So, John is just a toothless barking dog. And then get an abuja at that.
I told you.
Family.
Oh, cool, Sisi.
Don't worry about what he said.
Hey.
Go back to your house and mind your business. As for John, I will take care of you.
Igwe! I'm not happy. Let's go. Who is John? Who is John? Who is John?
What are you trying to insinuate, John? What are you trying to say?
Mother, I'm yet to understand your role in this family brouhaha. Severally, I've seen you visit Roland's house. Mom, in clear terms, can you tell me what you go there to do?
Excuse me? Is Roland not my son? Am I not supposed to be seen in his house? I'm asking you!
That is not what I'm saying. That is not what I'm saying. What advice do you give him concerning his nefarious activities in this land? Tell me!
John, how dare you? How dare you ask me such useless question? Are you now judging me? I'm asking you, are you judging me?
Mom, at least you should try and understand what he's saying.
He's talking nonsense. Let me tell you, if it's the will of the gods that Roland will be the next king of this great kingdom, I repeat, the king of this great kingdom, there's nothing anybody, not even you, can do about it.
Such thoughts don't come from the gods. Such evil thoughts don't come from the gods. It only comes from devilish mind. But listen, let me tell you. That will not happen. I, Prince John, will not tolerate his excesses. And like I said, I will nip him in the bud. Mark my words. I will nip you, not you, Roland in the bud. And I don't care what happens. Excuse me.
Mother, you need to talk to Roland. He's causing confusion in this family and in this kingdom in general.
Are you stupid?
No, ma.
Ugo, are you mad?
No, Mom.
Don't you know your way to his house? Is he not your brother? Go to his house and talk to him! Don't tell me nonsense.
But you're his mother. Mom, he will listen to you than me. This is not fair. John is right. He's right about our mother. He loves and cherishes Roland because of his wealth. Every time. Every time.
Mira, 5 years of marriage. Nothing to show for it. I think people have started laughing at me. And the worst is that my husband is not bothered.
I think both
both of you should visit a specialist.
I have suggested that to him, but he said he's medically okay. I don't know what to do. I'm confused.
Then maybe you should go alone. Then you explain it to him or her, whoever is there. Just explain it to the person.
Do you think I should go alone?
Yes, you should go alone. Are you just going to sit there and fold your hands because he's not interested? Don't you want to have a child?
No, but he needs to come.
I am here to see your husband.
He is out.
Chizoba.
Excuse you? You will accord to me the same respect due to a queen. I am the current queen of this kingdom.
Shut up! Shut up! And who made you the queen?
You are just an ordinary princess. You dare not come to my house and insult me. You are not mad. Get out. Your brother is not in.
But the one that is mad. I promise you will regret this.
I am the queen. The current queen of this kingdom. And there is nothing you or anyone can do about it.
Mama the mama. Mamalistic mama.
You didn't tell me you're coming back.
Tell you again, Mama. But I told Papa that I'm coming back. Will I tell you separate?
You did not tell me.
Mama, it's not my fault, man. By the way, do you have 200 and let me settle the cricket man so that we'll discuss about that, eh?
Ask me if I have 200 naira.
Mama, you're a big woman now. How can you tell me you don't have 200 naira? Lose one of this.
Hey. Mama the mama. Mama, how are you? My mama. Thank you, ma. That take.
Mama, you know, Mama, na 500. When they give me 200, what's now?
500 from here to where now? From here to here, I be 500.
Okay, I don't want to make noise. I beg, pay my money, ma come up for you.
Yeah, take your money now.
Mama, you know, be 200. Mama, you na 500. I tell you.
Which one be 500 now again?
Mama, you na 500. Tell ma, pay me, ma come up for you.
Where you carry me?
Which one say we are from carry? You don't know we are from carry. They come here. Pay my money, ma come up for this place.
Okay, take your money.
I don't get money. I will just they enter Okada.
See your money.
Pay me my money, ma come up for. Mama, no business. Mama, na 500. Must complete and give me. Oh, you complete that.
Mama,
it's 500.
Don't mind this bloody life.
500.
We did not discuss anything, no. Don't mind this idiot. We did not discuss anything.
I'm just telling you.
What nonsense are you talking about?
And you must complete and give me. You must complete and
if this heaven like make it tear into two.
I know you go complete my money, Oga.
Oh, yeah, take.
And my money is 500. Complete and give me a bill. Complete and sharp.
Man, fight in one fight too.
Give my money, ma come up for.
Oga, we no talk.
Oga, pay me ma come up for you. I know one time.
No shout for me for my house.
Oga, pay me my money. Wetin be your business? Man, no shout for you. Man, no.
I leave my cloth.
Give my money, ma come up for you. I no go leave your leg. Give my money.
You see, eh?
Give my.
I know 500.
Give my money. Let me go. Give my money. Give. Oga, give my money. Give my money.
Take your money.
My money 500. You must complete am for me. You must complete my money. You must. Oga, you must complete my money. I know the joke. Complete my money.
Oga, leave me hand.
Complete my. Leave me.
If I want
give my money, let me come on.
Now, if I FFC, don't go do you plastic surgery.
Oga, give my one. I go.
Leave me hand too.
Give my money. I come up for you. Give my money. Give my money.
Come on, leave me hand.
Come on. Give my money.
Take your 200 naira.
You must complete that.
Take one.
You must complete that.
If I give you 500, I make you die.
You, Oga, I just dey respect you. I dey respect you like this. I dey respect you. Give my money, come up for this place. What's in your own problem?
Oga, leave me first.
Kaka!
Thanks for the cooler. Oh no. I came to see you concerning our discussion yesterday. Are you telling me the truth that you returned the money Ronald gave to you? Eh?
Let me ask you. What do you want to hear again? Ichionora. Huh? See, I am not ready to disappoint the people of this land.
Which people of this land are you talking about? Is it the women or the youth who are already on Roland's side?
Nobody is on his side. Nobody. Don't deceive yourself. You see the people running around him. They want to collect his money. Because at the end of the day, the truth must be prevailed.
Baba, what truth are you even talking about? Yeah? Baba, you better stop saying all those things you're saying about Roland, though. Because something tells me that Roland has come to liberate this community. And you cannot stop it from reaching our family. I know what I'm saying, Uncle. You'll bear me witness. I know what I'm saying,
Oh no. Please and please, listen to what your son said. Go and apologize to Roland and collect the money.
I'm no longer interested. It's your honor if you must know. Huh? I have made up my mind. Please, if that is why you are here, that one is by God.
Okay, it's well. Mama,
there's nothing in this house. I am very, very hungry.
Chibuzo, you've not told me why you came back home. You said you told your father, but you've not told me.
Mama, I have told you countless times to relax. I have already told Papa that I am coming.
Papa Listy!
You're already back?
Papa,
you always for my son!
Papa heady!
Start moving, also sir. You don't use a garden already in the square, and you're here.
Olisa has not called me. I have not received any call from Olisa. Wait. My phone is ringing. He's the one calling. Olisa, I just came back now. Okay, I'll be on my way. I'm coming. Alright, I'm coming.
Oh, yeah, move now. You're wasting time.
Do you have 5,000 naira? Let me use and eat. I'm very hungry.
So, you don't have money? Papa heady. Papa Oyishiba heady.
Because I know you're going to bring money in this house. 10,000.
Papa.
Move now.
Papa Listy.
Will you move?
Papa, I will see you later. I'm coming now.
That's my boy. Mama. Big money will come to this house today. Isn't them?
What is going on here?
We're here.
What is going on here and why did you bring him?
You've not heard about it. Other youths are gathered already at the square. They are waiting to share the money Roland brought. Huge amount of money. As he's coming back now, he's coming back with millions.
Is that why you asked him to come back home?
He came back to join other youths to support Roland. Roland has mapped out huge amount of money for the youths. And as he's coming back now, he will come back with millions of naira. And I know you will be asking of money. Please, can you come and give me food? I'm famished.
What have I done to this man? So he has finally decided to drag Chibuzo into this mess. I know he can never tell Ifeanyi about this, because Ifeanyi will never support him. Anyway, let Chibuzo come back to this house first. Let him come back.
These are the representatives of all the youths of this great land. Yeah? And of course, we had our first general meeting today. So after the meeting, we decided, or should I say, we said that it's a must we come here and greet you. And to let you know again that we all, the youths of this land, are solidly behind you.
Igwe, we are behind you.
In fact, we are meeting with all the youth of this land tomorrow, and including the women of this great kingdom. Exactly. We also assure you to secure all their support for you, Your Majesty.
Thank you very much for believing in me.
Thank you.
You see, Etiti has been wallowing in darkness for so long. Poverty everywhere. But don't worry. Okosisi is here to bring light. Tell them I'm supporting them with the sum of 10 million naira.
Hey! Your Majesty, you will live forever. You will reign.
10 million naira. 10 million naira. 10 million naira. 10 million naira. Oh, give me 10 million.
10 million. 10 million. Wait for me, oh.
King Roland, the Okosisi. Okosisi. Okosisi, one of it. King Roland, the Okosisi. Okosisi.
You know why I called you here? This should be for our ears alone. Do not disclose it to anybody. Alright? Look, we're going to share 6 million naira out of this money. Don't disclose it to anybody. 6 million. 6 million naira now, so come 6 million. 2 million naira each. 6 million naira, what are you saying?
Okay, 600,000 or 6 million.
Bro, 6 million naira now.
6M.
6M, 2 million naira each. What are you saying? Yeah. And look, as soon as the money drops into my account, I will let you know.
Okay.
Alright? Do not disclose this to anybody.
Why?
Not at all. Not at all.
Why?
There is something I want to ask. So how do we share the remaining 4 million?
4 million. What are you talking about now? We cannot share the remaining 4 million. Okay. We'll bring out 3 million naira, share to the youths in general, then keep 1 million in our account. Bros, if we share the whole money, What's up with you? What's up with you?
I like the sound of this.
What's up with you?
Okay, why?
Again. An announcement will be made this night.
Okay.
Right? We are going to tell the whole women of this community to come out at our village square tomorrow morning. Yeah? So from that 1 million naira in our account, we'll give them small change. To convince them. Yeah? Bring them to our side to support us with their full force. What's up with you? What's up with you?
What time are we talking about like this?
Okay. I said tomorrow morning. Let me say around that kind 8:30.
8:30.
Are you aware that Roland has been mobilizing the youth and women of this land to support him? They had their meeting today at the village square and he shared money to each and every one of them.
Who gave you this piece of information?
I had an interaction this evening with someone when I was strolling down. The girl made me understand that Roland has gone far in winning the people's mind with money.
Have you told father about this?
No, just you.
Is mother aware of this?
No, mother is not aware.
Is mother aware of what?
Mother, Roland has been mobilizing the youth and women of this land to support him. And he ended up winning their hearts with money.
Really?
Yes.
Your father should not know about this yet. Because of his health. I will see Roland tomorrow.
Mother, you mean I should not tell father about
Don't, please. Not yet. Allow me to handle it.
No, mother. Ignore her completely. I don't trust her anymore. Father should be aware of this. Do you get it? Tell father everything.
I don't trust mother either.
At all.
How can she tell me not to tell father about this?
Mother, why are we here?
Well, I called you out here to tell you something very, very confidential and a secret I share with your father.
Okay.
But it's about John, your brother. Actually, John is not your biological brother.
How do you mean, mother?
Well, he's the son of your father's first wife. Though she died 5 months after giving birth to him. Yes. I was told that he was adopted due to pressure. Just for her to save her marriage, she adopted John, and she died 5 months after that. When I got married to your father, we decided to keep it a secret. But now I felt you should know the truth. Though I have told your brother about it. That is why he's acting the way he is acting. Because your father have decided that John will take over the throne when he is gone.
Mother, are you sure you're telling me the truth?
Of course I'm telling you the truth. Of course I'm telling you the truth. John is not your brother. So, stop referring him as your brother. Mom, he's an adopted child.
Okay, well, if you say so.
Oh no, this is why I'm here. Please, can you tell me what the problem is?
You are welcome, my prince. There is no problem. Your father is a good man. My very good friend. In fact, we have been friends before he became the king. I will do him no evil. Huh? You see, your father still have my support till tomorrow. Huh? Uh-huh.
Oh no, what you just said now is a contrast to the present reality. You and I know you've been avoiding the palace. You've not been coming around. You even avoid my father. I know a number of times my daddy has sent messages to you that you ignored. Oh no, I want to believe there is something you're not telling me.
My prince, I have said all you need to know. My absence from the palace is because of my health. My health, since after the kidnap incident in Wazico, I'm still trying to regain myself.
Bro, what's this nigga doing here? Tell him to leave.
I hope you know who you are talking to. The prince of this land.
Papa now. He's a no prince. This guy seated here is a bastard. No one name bastard now.
Well, he said, what did you just call me?
No, shut up! Okay, shut up your mouth. What did you just call me? Now, look, the truth about you has been revealed. Right? You're a common bastard. Your mother is from the north. Magibonya Osa. It's here no baby easy go na prince. Who are you? He has 7 boys so before I descend on you. Get out of this place. Papa tell him to leave.
Police, will you stop that? How dare you talk to the prince of the land in such manner? In Apwala. Huh?
He's a no prince, Papa.
No, it's okay. I will leave.
I'll say I will leave. That's so good to go. Now one now. Say I will leave.
Only sir.
Papa, it's because of you. Now one now. I say I will leave. That's no reason. I don't go kundi Jacob. I will leave when you see your bride.
Ugo. Ugo, I've never been humiliated like this in my life before. Do you believe the Noah's son called me a bastard?
How did he know? I mean, how could he?
I have not been myself since I came back. I feel like a part of me is missing. I'm going to deal decisively with that boy for causing me such embarrassment.
Oh, come on, John. It's okay. Everything is going to be fine. Just be yourself. It's okay.
I will make sure Father hear about this. I will tell Father everything. That boy will not go scot-free. Excuse me.
Who does he want to go and tell Father? What must that be?
Roland is not going to be my successor. I have a son, John.
Your Highness, is John really your son? Let's stop deceiving ourselves.
Excuse me?
Well, Your Highness, I have uncovered the truth about John's true paternity.
What did you mean by John's true paternity?
Well, nothing is hidden under the sun forever. Someone, somewhere is aware that your late first wife adopted John from birth to save her dying marriage.
I was born a child, but I was not born in the night.
Really?
So,
Greetings, Father. Mother, greetings. I was at Onowo's place to find out why he's been avoiding the palace. But to my greatest dismay, the son came out and called me a bastard.
Excuse me?
Daddy, you have an idea as to why Olise called me a bastard?
He has no right to call you such fearful name.
It's alright, it's alright. I'll debrief you on what I discussed with Ono tomorrow. But excuse me, Father.
Excused. It's alright.
What did he discuss with that old fool?
What have you been telling people about my son?
I don't understand.
Baby, eat my money. In fact, eat all of them. Eat everything. Oh, see, just finish everything. In fact, let me pass it to you. Just take.
Wait, remember you promised me 100,000 naira.
Forget about that. Was 100,000. I will make it up to you 150,000. You need to do whatever you want to do. Anything at all is for you. Eat everything.
sure I love you so much.
Eat everything.
You're the sweetest man on earth.
Eat it. My money. Eat it.
Please make it 150 so that I'll buy some meat.
What is this? What is going on here?
Mama, what is it?
Is this why you came back?
Mama, what is it? My girlfriend is greeting you and you're not responding to her. What is it?
Get out from this house before I lose it. Get out! I'm talking to you. Get out before you regret coming here. Get out!
Mama, why? Why are you chasing my visitor out?
You're asking me why?
This is the girl I want to marry. My father accepted that, so why should it be you? Why do you want to be a barrier to me?
You're asking me. I said get out!
So why? Go where? You're not moving an inch here. Sit here. Don't worry, don't cheat like what I know how to eat. Eat your... Mama, what is this? Mama, what is the meaning of this?
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Why are you chasing my...
No! What is wrong with you? Anuman, look at you. Look at what you're doing.
Why did you chase her away, Mama?
Anuman. Mpama.
What would make Onowe's son call my son a bastard? And my wife came up with a story that someone told her that John is not my son. Did she tell Roland the same thing? Is that why Roland suddenly declared himself the Igwe while I'm still alive? I need to think about this. Come in.
Father, John has been arrested by the policemen that came here.
What do you mean John has been arrested? Why?
They said he's a kidnapper and a criminal.
Oh, so where are they?
They have taken him away.
What do you mean?
Babes, I went to the hospital to see the doctor, and the doctor said I am perfectly okay. Oh, he even asked about my husband.
And what did you tell him?
What else? I told him what my husband said. He said I should try to convince him to come to the hospital and do some checkup. But you know my husband now. All he cares about now is the kinship. He does not even bother about us having a child.
Look, you have to try. You have to try, like convince him. Make him understand that he needs somebody to take over the throne after him. You have to try, convince him, talk to him, he'll understand.
I have. Trust me, I have done everything. I've tried to make him to understand that I need a child, like I want my own baby, you know. But I'm surprised that he's not even bothered at all.
He's a human being. He needs someone to take over the throne after him.
Exactly.
Push it for his dreamers, occupy his time. I don't understand. You just have to try and convince him.
Exactly my point. I have done everything. But I'll keep trying because I'm the woman here. I need the child.
You have to try. He needs this child. Try.
Okay. Thank you.
It's fine.
Dala. I know Chibuzo and Uchenna will never rest because of this money. But don't worry, I'll keep posting them until everything is over. Then I will leave this village before they know it. So in their mind I should drink 10 million naira for us to share. A whole 10 million naira. These people are greedy. 10 million naira. The very opportunity I've been looking for. With 10 million naira in my account, I can start a new life. leave this village and start a good business with 10 million naira. They want us to share. They are too greedy. Very, very greedy people. Dala.
Who is here?
Olisa!
Who is here?
Olisa!
Good afternoon, sir.
You want to bring down my house? Yeah? If you are looking for Olisa is not in this house. He left this house since morning and he has not returned. So I don't know what you people are doing. Eh?
Sir, tell Olisa to see us. Tell him to see us. He has been dodging us for God knows the reason. Tell him to see us.
Anything the matter?
I don't know. Just deliver our message.
Iche, deliver our message to Olisa. Tell him to see us so he should not joke with us at all. He should not joke with us because when we will come back here again. He should not joke with us. Oh my God, I saw here.
Olisa.
Doctor, please, let's go. Hold on, I'm coming. Let's go.
Do you have an idea of what happened at the palace this morning?
I don't know. I saw Princess rushing down from the staircase. She could not even respond to my greetings.
I can feel it. Something must be wrong somewhere.
Something must be wrong somewhere.
And I need to find out. There is something wrong.
Oh, you are here. It has been like this since morning.
It's okay. Can both of you just excuse me?
Okay, doctor.
Doctor, please make sure that nothing happens to my father.
There's no problem.
Come, let's go this place. Please take care of him, please. No problem, please.
Sir, good morning.
Hi, how far now?
This is why you're coming to my house through the backyard. I don't understand. What's happening?
There's no problem. We just want to make sure that you're at home. We came in peace.
I don't understand that. Oh! If it's about the money Roland promised us, he hasn't sent it to.
Olisa, it's okay, eh? That is why we came, so we can all go to his house, eh? It's obvious he has forgotten that he promised us money. So, as he dey hot, let's go to his house.
That's the only way. Yes, sir.
You want to go to your fellow man's house this early morning to ask for money?
Okay, this is, we are talking about money now.
If that's what you want to do, I'll go. I can't go with you. I'm not going with you people.
Why?
I don't understand.
If you are not joining us, if you are not going with us, that means you have collected that money and you have been lying to us since.
Bam!
Exactly. You have been lying to us.
Ah, is that what your mind is telling you?
Yes, sir.
So be it.
Yes.
So be it.
Which one is so be it?
Yeah, to me, fair. Yeah, well,
wait, you use height. They use height to intimidate us.
Which one be height? They talk about money, you don't call it, they talk about height. Oh, God, make we go make. Oh, God, we go there today. Not be this way this guy they talk here. We go there, go there for your hand. Oh, listen! Who can say?
Doctor, please tell me he's okay.
Doctor, say something, please.
I'm sorry, my queen. We lost him.
That's not true!
Doctor, please. My husband cannot just die. Tell me he's alive. He's okay.
Doctor, please. My father cannot die like that. He cannot die like that, please.
I'm sorry, but he's dead.
Hey! Doctor, tell me it's not true. Doctor, tell me it's not true. Doctor, tell me. Father, come back.
So what are we going to do now?
See, we have to go to Roland's house. Olisa cannot use us like that. We have to go there and confirm if Roland has given him the money. Then we'll now come back for our own share.
Like this is a very good idea.
Hey, think that you did not see.
Hey, how are you?
I'm fine. Please, have you seen Chibuzo?
No, I've not seen Chibuzo with my... If it's about seeing him, I've not seen him. But I'm sure I've heard his voice today, but I've not seen him throughout today.
Okay, please, if you see him, tell him I've been looking for him.
Okay. Come out now, Tara. Why are you hiding?
Where? Huh? Just because of the little money I promised that girl, she wouldn't let me be. It has been a thorn on my flesh.
They've not given us the money. You're already promising girls money. Is this how you want to lavish?
Are you a madman? Are you a madman?
Nah, give me my car. These are boys that came from the city. That's how people behave. They've not given us money. You're already promising all the girls in the village money.
You have lost your sanity.
That's how you remember. How are we going to? And I see that here. That is the palace messenger now. Why are you running? Chibuzo, there's a problem.
How?
Are you not seeing palm frond in his mouth? Whenever you see a palace messenger or anybody that stays in the palace carrying palm frond in their mouth, it only tells you that the king Abigwe is dead.
I beg, what is that? It's not better he dies.
Let's go. Your mouth. How can you be saying that kind of thing? You don't know that the walls have ears. How can you be wishing the Igwe dead and you're sitting in his kingdom? I don't know what is wrong with you.
Come, let's start going to Lisa's house. Let's go.
Let's go now. This is your
Shut up! Let's go.
My friend, what is your problem? Get done with that thing and leave that vicinity. That man is supposed to be dead before today runs out. I'm waiting to hear the bad news. One is dead. That means I'm now fully in charge. The gods have made things easier for me. Yes. Yes.
Greetings, my queen.
Greetings, my queen.
Greetings, my queen.
Are you people mad or something? You let's sit and greet the queen? I want you all to stand and greet me properly like the queen that I am. Now I said stand up and greet me like the queen of this kingdom. Now!
Greetings, my queen.
Greetings, my queen.
Greetings, my queen.
I didn't hear it well. Say that again.
Greetings, my queen.
Greetings, my queen.
Greetings.
Good. Remain standing. Okay. My husband, the king, Okosise one of Etite Kingdom, said he does not want to have this meeting with you people. Yes. So I want you all to take your pathetic self out of my house.
My queen,
will you just shut down your dirty, stinking mouth and get out of my house? I said get out of my house!
Can't we ask?
Now! Are you people mad? Now! Leave! Now! Now leave!
Yes, you are leaving. You are leaving.
Old fools! Look at them! Move! Leave it! Get out! Is it my force to have a meeting with you people? Are you people mad? Jesus Christ! What is wrong with these old fools?
What kind of nonsense is this? If I'd known, I wouldn't have come here in the first place. I thought all
don't want this idiot.
Nonsense.
Hey, hold on. Open that gate. Open. Why did you go back? No, hold them up. No.
You don't know. You like Trump?
Hey! What of you should come here? You see those old fools that just left here now? On no account should both of you allow them to enter my house. Except if it's an order from my husband. And I want you to pass the same message to the gate man. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, my queen.
Good.
By fire, by force, why? Ichukwale safuma. Okubera wayo kweze. Ichukwale safuma. Father and son at war, serious fight.
Now listen to me. On no account should those elders step in their foot into this compound. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, sir. They shift now. No, they come close to me. I don't tell you now. Muna they bring this gun very close to me. I dey quick verse you. I know they like accidental discharge. Small time now, you go just hear boom. You go come on my teeth.
Such a dummy.
Carry your small AK-47 go.
You are the cause of all this problem for 2 days now. Now Olisa is nowhere to be found in this village. Olisa has finally disappeared in this village.
Why are you blaming me now? What is my offense here?
You still have the nerve to ask me, why am I blaming you? When we agreed to go and see Roland, you didn't let that change your mind and say we should wait first. Now Olisa has finally disappeared. So what are we going to do now? Go out!
Listen, it is now that we have a tangible reason to go and see Roland, not before. Let us go there now and see him. I'm not afraid. I am ready. Let us go there now and see him.
Listen, Uchenna, if I miss this 2 million naira, I swear to God, this village will not contain both of us. If I miss this money, money...
Shut up, Joe. All this you're shouting at, you're sounding as if me, I don't need the 2 million naira. You see me that I don't need 2 million naira. Are we going there or not?
Get out, go your way. I won't join you. I will come myself. Go! You deceived me. Go!
Oh, no. Oh, let's go. Let's go.
Monsieur, what do we call this? This is a humiliation of the highest order.
I was very shocked. Is this exactly what we are going to face in the house? Can you imagine? All the promises he made to us, he has not fulfilled anyone. It is like we fought the battle for him in vain.
Don't worry, let us go home. I will return to his house and find out what the problem is all about.
You better do, please.
Because I can't understand.
You better do. What kind of a man is that? Huh? Oh my God. Playing with our intelligence.
No, you can't. You can't, as far as I'm concerned. Oh, no. No.
Who is that?
Be careful how you point that gun.
Shoot this boy. Doesn't know how to stop.
Shoot him from behind.
Sorry, sir. We are here to see the Igwe.
Hey! Now, stand back and leave here immediately. The both of you are no longer needed here.
What?
Do you understand me?
We are the youths of this land. How can you just tell us to go back like that?
I said move!
Hey! Open that gate. Open the gate! The gate! Open that gate!
Make noise here. Now, leave here. The both of you are not needed anymore here.
I said, open the gate, you're closing the gate. Come on, open that gate. If not for one thing,
Can you imagine? Eh?
Don't mind him.
Hey, and you. Listen and listen good. Mind the way you open up this gate. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
What nonsense. Everyone's just badging.
They go now.
Can you imagine?
Those blue boys, they are very stubborn.
Yes, my dear. My son is now the authentic king of the land. No. My husband has not been buried. Ababa in the last of Allah. Yes, honestly, the girls are doing it. Yeah, of course. I will keep in touch. Sure. Okay then. No problem. Bye. Take care.
Mother.
Yes, darling.
Mother, it's been 3 days since the death of her father. And Roland is not saying anything about his burial. Why?
Ugo, are you okay? There are some questions you shouldn't direct to me. You know Roland's house. Can't you go to his house and ask him anything you want to ask him? Why are you disturbing my peace? Why?
Am I not your daughter?
Yes.
Was he not your husband?
So?
The main reason you should answer the question.
Spare me the trash. Like I said earlier, go to Roland's house. Ask him whatever you want to ask him. And don't disturb my peace. Leave me alone. Excuse me. What nonsense. Don't disturb me, people.
Why is she acting like this? Why? The other day I asked of John. She nearly skinned me alive. Why is she always like this? Nobody even know the whereabouts of that one, if he's dead or alive.
Mom! Mom!
Why is he running away from us?
He doesn't call us anymore. He doesn't invite us. And when we go, he will disappear. Let it not be what I'm thinking. Does it mean he has used us and dumped us? After all we did to his father for his sake, for the huge promises he made to us. Hey!
Mama, what is it? Eh? What is it?
Where is the money you took from my bank?
Which money are you talking about? I did not collect any of it.
I said, where is the money you took from my bank?
I didn't take any of your money.
So who took it?
I don't know.
Nai, tell this boy to give me the money he took from my bank. What is it?
Mama, why are you accusing me?
Please. I have enough problem that is eating me up. I am trying to solve it. So everybody should carry his or her own problem and solve it on your own. And don't involve me, please. This will be the last one.
Mama, leave me alone. I didn't take your money.
What? You give me the money.
I didn't take your money.
Give me my money.
Mama, leave me alone. Mama. What is it? Mama. 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 Papa. Mama. Papa. Papa.
What is it? What is it? What did you do to her?
I didn't. Mama.
What did you do to
I
her?
didn't do anything. Mama. Mama.
Ezim.
Mama. Mama.
Ezim.
Mama. Mama.
Hey. Ezim. No.
With which money now? No money with me.
The one you stole from her. Go. Look. Go and get it.
Mama.
Ezim. Hey. Help.
No. Igwe. What a surprise visit.
I came here for important discussion.
Then let's go inside.
There's no time for that. Oh no. Whatever made Oye a successful surgeon was found in Eke. Ndị be anyị si n'ife Oye ji zụọ ọbụla afịa dị n'Eke. John is the heir apparent to the throne of my fathers. No matter what happens, he is the one.
Yeah. Your Highness, how about Roland?
Roland is not my son. John is. Do not mind the news that my wife is carrying about against John. No matter what happens, John should be the king after me.
Hey, Your Highness, how do I convince the people? You know, Roland is already on their minds. So what will I tell them?
Oh no.
Your Highness.
People do not need to be convinced to know the truth. Do not disappoint me the second time. Have a nice day.
Said that Roland is not his son.
You must agree to everything he says. You must support him at all costs. He has taken the bull by the horn. He said that delay is dangerous. Ọbụrụ na ịjụọ o jide gị pịa gị ụtalị mee gị ife baa gị mmọnwụ ịfụnanya. If you disobey o jide gị pịa gị ụtalị mee gị ife baa gị mmọnwụ.
Oh no,
Your Majesty.
I know you're surprised I called you that name. Yes. I have returned your position to you because you are a good man despite your shortcomings. I have forgiven you
for your attitude towards me when I gave you money. That's all in the past. I need you on my side. I need you in my team. So I am inviting you to an executive meeting tomorrow at my place, 10 a.m. Be there.
Your Majesty, I am too small for this offer. Why not look for another person in our land? We still have some noble men in our land that can do better than what I did with your father.
I choose who I work with, not the other way around. And all my life, no one has ever said no to me. So you can't start now. Be in my house tomorrow, 10 a.m. Do not fail. Oh no, I repeat, do not fail.
What is done is done, no going back. No one dares me, I am the king, I am unstoppable, I am the ruler. Not even my father can stop me.
What if all Igwe told me in the dreams are true? Chelo, what happened to Ichiogu? He's celebrated or no? Okay, forgive me.
Igwe. Ichiago, who asked you to sit? Are you mad?
I am sorry, Your Majesty.
Sorry for your confused self. Cut demands you wait until I ask you to sit before you set your filthy ass on my couch.
I am sorry, Your Majesty.
I don't believe in that nonsense. Do the right thing. For this stupid act of yours, you will remain standing until you are done with this meeting. Nonsense.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
You two can sit.
Thank you, Igwe.
Where is Ndoka? And why is he not here?
He has not come here, Your Majesty.
Why is he not here? Any idea?
No, Igwe. We don't know.
Stone!
Your Majesty.
You know Ndoka, right? I want him bundled down here with immediate effect.
Good afternoon. I want to see the Queen Mother.
You have an appointment with her. Is she expecting you?
Not at all. I know she will be happy to see me. Oh, there she is. Are you surprised to see me?
Mom? Mom? Who is he?
Good afternoon, Queen Mother.
Excuse us.
What are you doing here? What are you doing?
doing here, Mr. Luke? I'm asking you. What are you doing here?
Of course, you know why I'm here. And I must tell you, I'm so glad to have found you.
You have no right to be here. Leave!
Where is he? Tell me where is he so I can make myself known to him.
You cannot come here and ruin things for me. Please go now.
I wish I can.
What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Whatever we had was in the past. You're not supposed to be here.
Just tell me where he is so that I can just go see him. That's all.
Hello? Hello? Who is there?
Who is that?
Good day, 9.
You're welcome.
9. King Okosisi demands your presence at the palace.
Tell him I'm not interested.
I said he demands your presence. Or do you want me to force you?
Whatever you want to do, go ahead. You want to carry me on your head? Then go ahead. But I am not stepping out of this house. Tell him I said so.
Okay. Hello?
Who is that man? And why is Mom so worried about his presence? What does he want? Who is he? Mom.
Yes.
Who is that man and what is he doing here?
It's a personal matter.
Personal matter?
Yes, Ugo. You must not know everything. Anyways, I'm going to see your brother. I'll be back soon.
Mom?
Yes.
Okay. What's Mom trying to hide from us, please? Which one is personal matter? Personal matter how? Who is she hiding? What's Mom hiding?
Your Majesty. Ichiendoka, I summoned you and you refused to come. Are you trying to insult what I stand for? Or are you trying to form what I don't understand? What's your problem?
Your Majesty, you know you can only force a horse to the stream, but you cannot force him to drink water. Yes. I told you I'm not interested in this. You just forced me to be here. So what do you want me to say now?
I'm losing my patience. I wouldn't like you to experience the other side of me. Yeah. Honor, what are you trying to do?
Your Majesty, I want to talk to him.
Who sent you? Did I ask you to talk to him on my behalf?
Sorry.
You are a very useless elder. I don't believe in that nonsense word, son. I'm talking to someone and you are trying to help me talk? Do I have any problem with my tongue? Kneel down.
Your Majesty, I'm having a problem.
How is that my business? I said kneel down. It's an order. Kneel down completely. Stop making me repeat myself.
Your Majesty.
Shut up. Now listen and listen real good, you're all. This meeting is about to start officially. You don't talk until you are asked to. And you don't interject
when I'm talking. No, I hope we are on the same frequency.
Yes, you were.
Good. Someone should lead us in prayer.
Ogo is willing to serve as the Lord. Why then did he remove him and force Ichie Nduka into the office? Is that fair?
Who are you asking?
I am asking you, Ichie.
Do not ask me again because you people started it. If you and others had not supported him, we would not have been in this mess.
So what are you trying to say?
You and Ishediga know what I'm talking about. You people will change suddenly against Igwe Ochiri, all because of money. Ego, even you, Ishediga. Okay, Ego. Hi.
Did you not join us later?
Who is to blame? I would have not joined if people had not started. Let me tell you, this is just the beginning. He has not started flogging us.
Please stop blaming us. You are also part of us.
Hello, Mr. Youngman. He will flog you. You are part of us. Did you not receive the first money he paid us?
You started it.
Ichie, are you now part of us or not? Let us blame ourselves.
You blame yourself. First, you are the cause. You supported him. You made him king when his father was still alive. Where is he done? Aru. Aru. Ha! Oh! Gods of our land have mercy upon you people.
And may the gods of the lands
you people
have mercy on
evil
you.
People, evil
Ichie, don't mind him. It's because they asked him to kneel down. That is his anger.
He's not a stupid man. This man is a stupid man. An idiot. Hey!
How did the meeting go, my king?
Fine. I have made Ichie Nduka my digital Onowu.
Okay.
He's the new digital Onowu. And I told him he must work. Yes. Yeah. He must work, else I will deal with him.
Nice one. I also want to summon the women leaders here tomorrow for a meeting.
What will be the essence of the meeting?
I want them to organize other women to come here, clean, put everywhere in order, make sure things are in order on a daily basis. But also, it should be clan by clan.
Okay. Nice idea.
I'm always on point. Greetings, Queen Mother.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Please, can you excuse us? I want to have a word with my son.
What is it? You look serious.
There is something I want you to do for me. I want you to take care of someone for me. Yes, he's a threat to my life.
A threat to your life? Who could that be?
Well, his name is Luke. He's an old friend. He came back threatening my life. Simply because I refused to marry him many years ago.
So where has he been all this while? And why this sudden interest in you?
I don't know. And I don't care. I can't give him the chance to destroy my life. No.
Alright. Let's start by inviting him over. I need to see him one-on-one.
There's no need for that. I have his picture on my phone. I will send it to you through WhatsApp.
So you want him dead at all cost?
Yes.
Consider it done.
Thank you.
Chibuzo, please. Get me some food. I am very hungry.
Mama, I cannot cook. Besides, there's no food in this house for you to eat. I can't go into that kitchen to cook anything. I can't.
Chibuzo, just make some food for me. There is food in the house. Make some food for me.
Mama, I will not do it. You said there is food in the house, so where did you keep the food? There is no food in that house. And besides, I cannot go into that kitchen since you have refused me to marry the woman I love so that she will be assisting you in Semba. And you want me, Chibuzo, to condescend so low to enter that kitchen and cook for you. Mama, I won't cook.
Chibuzo, please, I'm begging you.
Please what, Mama? My phone is ringing. Baby, I just finished dressing up. I'm coming right away. Okay, I will meet you there. I'm coming. Okay. Okay. Mama, take care of yourself, eh?
Chibuzo.
Don't disturb me. In absent Chibuzo. Go to the kitchen and cook.
Chibuzo.
Yeah.
So good. When I travel back to visit.
Anytime soon, babe.
Wait. And you're just telling me?
I had it in mind to tell you now.
So, when are you coming to see my parents?
Once I get to the city, I will send words across to you. They will plan on how to come and see your parents.
Okay.
Jables are my man. What's up, man? What I can see you're having fun with this young blood. No?
Olisa.
I'll see you later now. No!
That is he. He bought that car with our money.
Eh? What are you saying?
Babe, listen. I will see you later. Yeah? I'll call you. I'll see you later. Uchenna has to hear this. Yeah? Don't worry, I'll call you.
Okay. Hey, so Lisa has a fine car now. Yeah.
Son's car. I have made money. Oh no, I have made money. And no.
Did I hear you well? Your car?
My car. Papa, which kind of question for this? Which kind of question are you asking like this? Which kind of question to this? This is my car. I bought this car with my hard-earned money.
Huh? You are a liar. Good for nothing, bloody liar. You bought this car with your money. Don't know you. Thief! That is really bad. Papa, your son ran away with our money and bought this locomotive engine he called a car. Bring our money back!
He made away with the
10 million! Roland gave to the youths.
Do you know them? What are these urchins, God-forsaken fools, hungry-looking animals talking about? What are they doing here in the first place?
So, after running away with our money, you had the guts, the temerity to call us urchins. I mean, you had the guts.
Yeah, but we don't so.
Okay, let me hide the carry fight. Let me hide the carry fight. Come down for your fight. Now fight.
Come back. Papa, warn your son. Warn your son to return our money. And as for you, we will come back for you. Eh? We will come back for you. Oh, your son, no. Where put you now, man? Oh, your son.
What's up? You're hungry. I know you're from like, come on, Dad. No, come down.
Look at all this.
Come on, Dad. I know you're hungry. Yeah? Just get yourself something to eat. No. Bobby, I know you're hungry. Get yourself something to eat. When you have money, everything will be on like that.
You see this money, eh? You see this? God will judge you with this money. God will judge you. Let's go.
Don't worry, this car, I will sell this car. I will sell this car.
I don't know hungry. We just 100.
Oh, listen, listen to me. Did Roland give you any money for the youth?
Nah, Papa, what are you talking about? Your son is made. I have made. Who is Roland? No. Does Roland have money? No. Roland ain't got no money. Did you hear what they just said? 10 million now? What is 10 million naira? Roland didn't give me any money. No, I'm about to watch now. Roland did not give me any money now. One look at touch now. Yeah? One look at touch, in fact. Get out of the car. Come on! Oh no, who? Come! Oh no,
Chibuzo, I am very, very angry right now. See, I feel like ending that guy's life.
So what are we going to do now? Because that boy is not going to go scot-free. What are we going to do?
Listen, we will march now to Roland's house. Eh? Let us go there.
Do you think they will let us in? Remember what happened to us the last time we went there?
Let us gather the youths. Let us gather the youth and inform them about everything. Let us expose everything.
Hey brother, that is a good idea. But he must have bought the youth over with money. So the best thing to do now is to meet with Roland. He ought to note what happened to the money he gave to Rod.
Is it not the same thing we are saying? Let us go to Roland's house. When we get there, we will make noise till he comes out. You're betting
there is no way to panic. Let's just start going.
It's my two miam that I'm talking about.
I'm still wondering why my mother wants this man dead. She said he's an old friend who wanted to marry her. But I feel there is something my mother is not telling me. Anyways, for the fact that he threatened my mom, that's an offense. So he will surely go down.
Stop.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Allow them. What is it?
Your Majesty, we are here to report a matter to you concerning Olisa, Onowu's son.
Exactly, Your Majesty. Please, you need to listen to us. It's about Olisa, Onowu's son, Your Majesty.
What about him?
Your Majesty.
You talk now,
Your Majesty.
Talk now.
Mira, honestly, that woman is beginning to disgust me. Can you imagine barging in anytime I'm having a serious conversation with my husband?
And then asking you to leave, right?
I am telling you the truth. This whole thing is getting out of hand. Before you know it, that woman will bring another woman for my husband and chase me out because of my childlessness. Yes, I need to do something because I don't trust that woman. I can see it in her eyes. I don't trust her at all.
You're right though. You need to be very careful and you need to do something.
Yes, I really need to do something because I want to give Roland a child. Please. I want to have my own child. I can't afford to lose my husband. Yes.
She's over.
Uncle, look. When did you come back?
I came back 2 weeks ago. How's your mother?
She's fine. What are you doing here?
I actually came to the neighborhood to see some couple of friends.
Oh, really?
Oh, yes.
This is my kingdom. Yes, my husband is the king of this kingdom.
That's interesting.
Oh, please forgive my manners. Uncle, meet my friend Mira. Mira, meet my uncle.
Good afternoon, sir.
Roland should not waste time to get Luke out of my way. I can't let him ruin my life.
Mother, I want to complain something to you.
I don't need disturbance. What is it this time? What?
It's about Roland.
I know it. It must be about him all the time. Ugo, why do you hate your brother so much? Why? Why can't you bring out your whole mind and give him your maximum support? Listen, your brother is now the legal king of this great kingdom.
Mother, Roland is going beyond his limit. I don't like the way he keeps on treating elders as if they're not human beings. Someone told me today how he maltreated the elders at the meeting and how he forcefully made Ichie Ndoka the Onowu. What I mean, how? Can you explain that?
The elders are proving stubborn. Therefore, if they do so, let him discipline them. It's never maltreatment. Hey! Let today be the last time you will complain about your brother. I will not take it again. I will not take it again from you.
If you disobey,
You are welcome to my humble abode.
Oh, this is paradise.
You can say that again. Please, let's go inside. After you.
no one dares me. I am the king. I am unstoppable. I am.
Greetings, my king.
How are you?
I'm good.
Is this not the same man my mother gave me his picture?
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Greetings. Who is he?
My king. He is my uncle, Mr. Luke. He is my mother's elder brother. The one I told you that was held in prison abroad.
Oh,
Yes.
I said it.
So, uncle, meet my husband, the Igwe of this land, Okosisi one of Etiti Kingdom.
It's my pleasure.
You're welcome. What is going on? The same man my mother once dead is the same man my wife introduced to me as her maternal uncle. Am I missing something? Greetings, Mom. Please, I need to see you in my house now. Like now. Thank you.
Majesty, is anything the matter? You don't look good.
I'm fine.
No, you are not. I saw the way you were looking at my uncle. Have you met him before?
No. Trust me, I'm fine, okay?
That's strange.
I'm okay.
I just feel like something is wrong. You can talk to me.
There is nothing. There's no cause for now. I'm fine, okay?
Okay.
Trust me.
If you say so, I'll be downstairs.
Alright. Stone, abort that mission. Yes, you heard me loud and clear. Mission aborted.
I swear, I have no feelings for that boy. He has been the one forcing himself for me in this village.
Are you sure about that?
Very sure. You know now.
You know, you're super amazing, super beautiful.
I know.
Don't worry.
He's too dirty.
A complete muggle.
I swear.
He has no money.
Amanda, complete. Amanda. I ask you, Amanda, what is the meaning of this nonsense?
What is the meaning of what? Eh?
Olisa, what are you doing with my girlfriend?
It's again. Eh? Chekwa. Who is your girlfriend? I can never in this life or in the next life have anything to do with a poverty-stricken idiot like you. You might not look for your size. Go and look for your size.
Amanda.
Look, sweetheart, please take me out of here.
Yes, I will take you out of here. I will take you out of here. Huh?
My dream. Amanda! Amanda!
When the happen, why I got you very good. You know what I'm saying? I will check you out. Money everywhere. Live woman. Go and make money. When you make money, the world will talk about you. Everybody will respect you. You have and take any woman you want. Anyone you want, you point hand and it's yours. Right? Out of my way. Out of my way. I will run you over. Don't joke with me. I will run you over. I'll stay here. Stay there.
Am I dreaming? This is not happening.
Ugo! Ugo! Ugo!
Greetings, my queen.
Greetings. Where is my daughter?
I did not see her, my queen.
You may go.
My guy, what is it now? Talk to me.
If I tell you what I saw today, my eyes saw it is well. What my eyes saw today, my mouth cannot even say it. I saw signs and wonders today.
It is well, my brother. Okay, what is the problem? Go straight to it.
Olisa, I've taken Amanda away from you. Olisa, I've taken Amanda away from me. The most painful part of it, I saw both of them almost, in fact, they were kissing.
Hey!
Amanda had the guts to deny me before Olisa. She said that she had nothing to do with a poverty-stricken man like me.
It's a lie.
What is a lie?
It's a very big joke. You must be joking.
Have you lost your sanity? Are you insane? The most painful part of it is that she entered Olisa's car and left with him. Hey! They left me there. What have I done with Olisa?
See, I am sure by now, Olisa must have been shifting her waist. I'm very concerned about the condition of her waist. You understand? Because Olisa, that is his eyes.
Hi! Why are you adding more fuel? Why? I just told you how I feel. What have I done to Amanda?
Sorry,
why should it be Amanda?
Sorry. But why would you be? You just came to this village. You already have a girlfriend. Me that have been here since, you did not ask me why I don't have a girlfriend. So just because of small two meow we are expecting. You already have a girlfriend. Promise her heaven and earth.
That is not what I'm talking about. What did I do to Amanda to deserve all this? What did I do to Amanda? Why should it be Amanda? Why? Amanda, why? Why?
That man in there looks exactly like the same man that visited my mother a few days ago. What is he doing in my brother's house? And who is he? My mother is shocked to see him.
Princess, you're here. Yes. Welcome. Meet Princess Hugo, my husband's sister. Princess, meet my uncle, Mr. Luke.
Princess.
Nice. Oh, the queen is here. Okay. Greetings, my queen. I'm fine, thank you. Greetings. Please inside.
Greetings, my friend.
Uncle, that is the queen, my husband's mother.
What is it? Who brought him here?
That's my wife's maternal uncle. He has been abroad for years.
Roland, you have to send him away and have him killed. That man is a threat to your mother's life.
Mom, why do you desperately want this man out of the road? Who is he to you?
I have told you everything you need to know.
But there is something you're not telling me. And until you tell me that, I will not harm an innocent man. To crown it all, he is my wife's uncle, so...
She's lied to you. He is not her uncle. That man is a killer. I think she has connived with him to accomplish her task.
But my wife has never lied to me since I met her.
You think so?
I know so.
No, that's not true. That's not true. Please, do this for me. Yeah? I need you to remove this man from my way.
Mom, I can't just kill because you said I should. What is his offense?
Welcome, Your Majesty.
Knock, knock. Knock, knock. Oh. Greetings, Ono.
You're welcome.
The Igwe is alive.
Wait. Which Igwe are you talking about? You are getting me more confused. Or Igwe nke go and also?
The Igwe actually one of a Titi kingdom. He is alive and sound, and he asked me to fetch you immediately.
Igwe is alive.
Yes or no?
1 minute. I hope you know what you are talking about.
Oh no. The Igwe is waiting for you. Please.
I hope this is not Roland's plan, so.
No, I am serious.
Igwe actually alive?
Yes.
Alright.
It is special. If I did not give you fat money, there won't be fat fish.
Idika.
Adu. What's the matter?
Ugeze is alive. In fact, as we speak, he is right at the palace.
Ago, what kind of a joke is that? Ugeze that died 2 weeks ago is alive. Okay. Ago,
Ichi, have I joked with you in this kind of format before? The king, our Igwe, is alive. In short, I am going to the palace to see him with my eyes. And
Oh, may the gods be praised! I said it! I know it! I know he's alive. I said it that nothing will happen to that man. Our king is a good man. All his enemies will be put to shame. They will all be put to shame.
Hey!
His kingdom.
I am marrying a dummy. Hey. All his enemies will be put to shame. As in, who is his enemy here? Who is king's enemy? You won't even confirm the information first. And you are, hey, all his enemy will be put to shame. Are you one of them?
Hey, may the gods be praised.
Because I get, come and take one and cook food again. His enemies will die. Who is the enemy? Am I part of the enemies? Put on your
out of the way, why are you blocking me?
I'm sorry, my queen. The Igwe gave an instruction that I should not allow anyone inside.
Why? Are we strangers?
That is an instruction from the Igwe.
We're not strangers.
Even we, the elders, are asked to wait outdoor.
It's true.
Mother.
Didn't you hear what he said? He said we should wait outside. So let's wait.
Hello, Igwe. No, in fact, what's exactly what happened?
My son here, John, escaped assassinations by some policemen contracted by my wife and Roland.
This is abomination.
One of the policemen rescued my life.
Please don't kill me. Don't kill me, please.
Please. I will not kill you.
Okay.
I won't kill you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
I cannot kill an innocent man. You have to run far away from this place. Huh? If they find out that you're still alive, I'll be a dead man.
Sorry, please. Who is behind this, please?
Your mother and your brother. They think you're a stumbling block to them. Now go. Do not let anybody see you. Go!
That was how I escaped death. I ran into the doctor who told me about my father, whom my mother nearly poisoned to death.
Incredible. Huh? Oh no. Your Highness. It might shock you to know that Roland is not my son. What? Igwe, how do you mean? I met a man who told me everything about his paternity, and he said everything will be exposed in the course of time. Igwe, do you know this is exactly what you told me in the dream? The reason my wife has been striving that Roland mounts the throne and have my son and I killed.
It is very bad. You know, it was only the grace of God that saved Igwe from the poison.
Oh no, some band of robbers were arrested, and one of them confessed to be the one among those who abducted you and Honora. My wife and same Roland were the masterminds. Don't say it loud. You could panic. Immediately.
At work, serious fight. This is not pleasant at all.
Mother, what is going on here?
Your father is inside with Igwe and the doctor, and they ask us to wait outside.
Why? Hi, Roland. Are you surprised to see me? I'm still much alive, like my father, whom you and your mother nearly poisoned to death.
What nonsense are you talking about?
You and your mother framed me up.
You and your mother here that have been saying nonsense. I never knew that I've been living with a total stranger all this while. You evil woman, you poisoned my coffee? And I already taken a sip of it. If not, that chica ran in to tell me that you poisoned my coffee, I would have been dead by now.
Come in.
Your Majesty, please don't drink it. Your Majesty, please don't drink it. It's poisoned.
Poison?
Yes, Your Majesty.
By who?
By the Queen. I saw her putting some sniper in your coffee this morning.
How dare you accuse my wife?
Your Majesty, it's true. If you doubt me, I can give this coffee to one of your domestic animals. Then you will believe me. I made a video of her while putting the sniper.
Video?
Yes, Your Majesty.
You can go. Make sure no one hears this.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Go.
Thank you.
Hello, doctor.
Please, there's an emergency in my house. My drink has just been spiked. I don't know. Please just rush in, please. I have taken some of it before now. Oh, yes, in my part. Please, come. That is how the gods of this land saved me. If not for the doctor here, I would have been dead by now.
Your Majesty, I'm sorry.
Will you shut up? Tell the whole world who this criminal is. Because he's not my son.
What? Mother.
Hello. Will you tell the world who this criminal is?
What? Mother. What's going on here?
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Who are you, young man? Who are you? I asked.
My king, this is my uncle, Mr. Luke. He is my mother's elder brother.
Not only that, Your Majesty. The queen here can explain the rest. Speak and tell them the truth. Else I will do it myself.
Mother, talk.
He's Roland's father.
Which of the Roland? Hey. Which of the Roland?
I was few weeks pregnant with Roland before I got married to the
no.
Your Highness,
shut up! I've already made call to the Commissioner of Police. His men will flee in any moment from now. I don't want you to say any further words, otherwise I will strangle you to death. I never know that this woman is an evil woman, an antichrist, a killjoy. Shut! Don't say I will strangle. I will kill this woman. Do not worry. The police are already here. You will rot in jail. You and this son of a bitch. You call a son. You connived with your son to kill me. But the gods of this land are will never be asleep.
Okay, man.
Inside jail, you and your son will explain better what you meant from day one I married you. Shut up!
Opere mwana mwirienu obi karayaka mana malugwa na mmadu ibu ichiniru obulo kwite huri na nje. It is only the lake that soil with mud enjoys everything.